I'm at Pine Grove Drive in Hampden. Today we're going to look at unit number 12. And Pine Grove Drive is a pretty much new development. The owners have built several units along here. That actually is on Mayo Road. And then Pine Grove, there are a bunch of new units that they've built down there. And unit number 12 actually is pretty cool because there's only 2 that are up in here. So it's a little bit tucked away, a little more private. And these are beautiful units. They have radiant floor heat. They're 2-bedroom, 1 bath, does have stand-up shower, which is great, or a walk-in shower. You have room for a washer-dryer hookup. And one of the big benefits is the owner does take care of heat, water, sewer, lawn care, snow removal. The only additional thing that you pay here is your electricity and internet cable. And this is actually set up with a great fiber optic company, so you get wonderful service out here. High-speed fiber optics. So we'll go ahead into the unit. You do have quite an oversized garage in here. Definitely will be able to put your car in easy. Big, tall vehicles are going to go in here. You have the automatic door opener. And you have some closet space back here for additional storage as well. So it's nice to have that. And again, it's oversized, so you've got plenty of room. You could put shelves out here. There's all kinds of things you could do. So you walk into the unit, and it's got beautiful flooring in here. Very durable, easy to maintain. You do have a closet here right when you walk in, which is great for your outerwear. We'll go check out the bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms, and this is the larger of the 2. And you could put a king-size bed in here. It's much larger than probably it looks on the video. So there is a lot of room here. Got a great closet over here. I like the lights in the closet. So again, it's very bright and sunny. You do have the ceiling fan as well. Get a little bit of extra circulation. And you are fine to put AC units into your windows or the portable ones. Of course, you're the one paying for the electricity, so you are fine to do that. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but you've got plenty of room in here too. It could comfortably have a nice queen size bed. A lot of people use it as an office, so there's a lot of options there. And another great closet for your storage and for your clothes. The bathroom is gorgeous. I love the tile that's in here. And then you've got a great vanity. Beautiful. And again, there's your walk-in shower that you have there. It's actually got the seats on it, so it's kind of cool. A cute little mirror there. Great lighting. And I love the floor that's in here. The colors look great together. And then we're going to go into a big open concept. This is absolutely gorgeous. The owner went all out with appliances, very high end. I feel like there's a bird chirping in the background. No, it's out. I was afraid it followed me in. Again, great appliances that you have there. Have the 5-burner stove and great sinks here. Tons of cupboard space. You got your dishwasher, but I love the open bar. You have bar stools there. Great place for a dining room set. Comes into great living room area. And then, again, the privacy that you have out here. I just actually walked in real quick, and this is a great place to have a patio set, some little outside furniture. You can have a grill here. Look at the flowers. It is May in Maine, and a beautiful time of year. Everything's starting to bloom. The weather's getting really nice. And so that's where all of the utility room kind of that is controlling the radiant floor heat. It's run by propane. Again, the owners take care of that, so you don't have to worry about that at all. And our grass is growing pretty fast. I'm sure the landscapers will be out here to mow that shortly. But again, beautiful unit here. Only 2 in this duplex. Got a lot of privacy. You're close to Bangor. Hampden has, I think it's the best school district in the state of Maine. You're close to grocery stores. We're not far from Northern Lights or Husson University. So again, this is 1 Pine Grove Drive, unit number 12. If you are interested, visit our website, rentbangor.com. You can click on the green box that says online application, fill that out, and we'll get back to you.